Hello, Beethoven Bears! Hello to all the Beethoven family, staff, and students. I am so happy to be recording this video for you. I want to say happy, and today is not Monday, but today is T for Tuesday. So Beethoven Bears, see if you can do that. Happy, and in a circle, Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Today is Tuesday, May 11th. For the month of May, we are celebrating two amazing cultures that we have here at our school. We are celebrating Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month, as well as Jewish American Heritage Month. Like I told my hybrid bears on Monday, the goal is that you learn from these cultures and find out something new that you don't already know about the beautiful cultures of our Asian American and our Jewish American students and families. So we celebrate you this month and we honor you this month, your heritage, and all the wonderful aspects that you bring to our American culture. We are still working with the word resilience. One thing that you will never forget from this school year is perseverance and resilience, because you are showing both of those very much. So keep it up, Bears. And you were showing a growth mindset. We only have 5 weeks left in this school year. And I know all of you are still learning, you're still growing, you're still being open-minded, you're still willing to listen to your peers. So I know there's a lot of effort out there, and I'm proud of you, and I want you to keep it up. And our word of the month is patience. Boy, do we need a lot of patience this month. I'm sure your parents would agree. We are practicing patience as we have to transition, and we're doing things differently. We're adapting to new schedules. We are adapting to new protocols and procedures. And I want to say everyone is doing an amazing job, from our staff to our parents to our students. Let's keep it up to the end of May, and let's really end this year on a great note. We'll have a new word for June, but let's keep up our patience for May. And like I mentioned, we are not having Students of the Week, but we are going to have a Students of the Month. So students, online and hybrid, I want you to practice patience, be resilient, continue to work hard, show up to your Zoom classes on time, participate. Hybrid students, when you're here, do your best to follow all the COVID protocols, all the new rules, and also participate and do your best in class. I always want to take time to thank and say hello to all of our Beethoven Bears out there, our amazing astronomers that are here in person, our clever chemists that are online in the afternoon. We have our brilliant biologists that are here in the afternoon in hybrid, and we have our dynamic discoverers that are online in the morning. I'm proud of all of you. I hope you all are working very hard, and we are working very hard to meet your needs and keep our Beethoven Bears academically and socially ready. In regards to COVID testing, parents, as a reminder, we are doing school-based COVID testing. We had our COVID testing last Friday. The team was able to test all of the students. We have COVID testing coming this Friday, May 14th. They might only be here during the morning hours. Please know that your COVID test for your child does last 7 to 14 days. If your child is not tested, they will still be able to get a daily pass. I also know that this is not a perfect system. Parents, if you run across an issue where your child is grayed out or there is a problem getting the daily pass, just let me know. I can look them up in the system, and I can definitely troubleshoot what's going on with your child. So we know that there are wrinkles in the system, but we will do our best to iron them out, and your child will not lose their opportunity to come here to school. And regarding the daily pass, wow, the parents have showed a lot of patience with this system. As I said, it is not perfect, but I want to thank you for always having your daily pass ready. Thank you for ensuring that whoever drops your child off has a copy of that daily pass. As mentioned, we're no longer accepting copies of your negative test. Please make sure you pull up the daily pass. If you have any problems, we have a wonderful community rep, Nancy Morales, who has helped and assisted families through the system so they're able to pull it up every day. We're here to support you. Please know the Daily Pass is a part of the LA County protocols for LAUSD for our contact tracing. So thank you for helping us adhere to that policy. Remember that on Mondays we have early days. So the day is a bit shortened so that we have time for teacher professional development. My AM cohorts, hybrid and online, you're 8 to 10:30. My PM cohorts, you are 11:30 to 2. If you're in the STAR Supervision program, you go there right after. They're ready for you at 10:30 or at 2 o'clock. And STAR continues to be available until 4 p.m. And for our meals, I know I talk about this each week, but I want to make sure our families take advantage of the new weekend box. Families, if you would like a weekend of meals, of snacks and meals, up to 5 for your family, please send a note with your Beethoven Bear on Friday, and we're happy to put together the box for you. So again, take advantage of that weekend meal box. STAR Supervision, we are still waiting on more personnel, and we do have some availability of rooms. So we will probably be able to accommodate the families that are on the waiting list. I'm so happy about that. So families, please hold tight as we get more staff, and also we have more available rooms to use. If you're interested in STAR, please, you can email Jesus Perez. His email is jesusp@starinc.org. My hybrid students, don't forget to bring in your water bottle, your computer, a towel to sit on during the day, and a reusable bag. If you're in STAR, you might want to bring a little bit more water, maybe a couple bottles of water for yourself, because our water fountains are turned off. So make sure you have those goodies. Again, the reusable bag is for your food. If you are getting food for STAR, there's lots of food, so please bring a bag that you can carry it in. We are always still practicing our COVID protocols with keeping 6 feet apart and creative ways of greeting our peers. We're doing so well wearing our masks. And as a bonus, we have pool noodles to help with our social distancing at school. Pool noodles are not 6 feet, but they're about 4 feet and some change. And it helps just to give us a better sense of how far we should be apart. So every classroom has pool noodles to help their students with social distancing. Now here's some announcements. Here's some announcements for this week and next week and almost through the end of June. Friday, May 14th is a Spirit Day. So I want to thank our student council and Ms. Ramirez. We are having a Sports Day Spirit Day. So Beethoven Bears, please wear your sports attire. We also have our school-based testing on Friday morning. On Monday, May 17th, just remember that we have our shorter schedule, 8 to 10:30, excuse that typo, that should be 8 to 10:30 and 11:30 to 2 p.m. At 5 p.m. also, parents, we're having an all-sat meeting. So we will send that announcement out, so you will be able to join Mrs. Arthur, and she will talk about the all-set testing that will take place in a few weeks. On Thursday, May 20th at 12 p.m., I'm having a coffee with the principal. So families, please join me. The Zoom ID is on our parent handbook online. On Friday, May 21st, we have another Spirit Day. It is going to be Animal Day. So the student council would like you to wear some kind of animal print. That'll be fun. On Monday, May 31st, it is Memorial Day, so there's no school on Monday, May 31st. May 24th to June 6th, I'm so excited. We're having our Friends of Beethoven silent auction, so parents, look out for that link. We'll have so many great items that you can auction for, and hopefully you'll be able to be the winner of some of those items. All those monies go back to Friends of Beethoven, who in turn supports Beethoven Elementary. I'm also super excited to share that for our class of 2021, we have some 5th grade culmination updates. We are having an in-person culmination. It will be outside on Wednesday, June 9th at 8:30 to 9:30. We will do this on the field. There will be a limited number of guests that each child may bring for their family. Our online students are welcome to come with a recent COVID test, and we will health check and temperature check all of the guests that will attend. So be looking for more information, 5th grade families, that will be coming in your email. On Saturday, June 5th, before the culmination, we are scheduling a 5th grade picnic here at school. So once again, mark your calendars, and 5th grade families, please stay tuned to your emails as we will send you more updates soon. I want to congratulate Mrs. Harada. She is our Wave Award Teacher of the Year. Our Venice Chamber of Commerce hosts the WAVE Awards every year for our local schools, which is just a wonderful way of congratulating and rewarding our teachers that work so hard every year. This year's theme was Rising to the Challenge, and Mrs. Harada was chosen amongst her peers here at Beethoven to be our Teacher of the Year. So congratulations to Miss Harada on her award. And Beethoven Bears, this is congratulations in sign language. So do that with us. Congratulate Mrs. Harada. Very good. Good evening to everyone in the Venice community. I am Kara Fields, the proud principal at Beethoven Elementary School. Thank you to the Venice Chamber of Commerce for this wonderful opportunity to honor our teachers in the community. I am so proud to present the 2020 WAVE Award Rising to the Challenge to one of our astonishing 5th grade teachers, Mrs. Erica Harada. Mrs. Harada rises to every challenge. She goes above and beyond for her students and for our school. She has led so many wonderful after-school clubs like the Empowered Energy Saving LADWP Club. She led our first robotics team, and she tutors students after school whenever they need the support. Mrs. Harada has also been a steadfast member of our school site council, and she is a part of the team that helps to make crucial decisions for our school. Mrs. Harada is beloved by the students, by the staff, the parents, and the entire community. Her work ethic is so strong. I've had the pleasure of having my daughter in her class for the last 2 years, and I've watched her grow. Mrs. Harada is also one of our math and science lead teachers. She supports our teachers in their learning and their professional development and constantly wants to uplift everyone's ability to learn more and do more. She is truly the essence of rising to the challenge. To the world, Ms. Harada, you may be just a teacher, but to your students and to this community, you are a hero. Congratulations. And since our school, we know how to use sign language, congratulations. And we love you, Ms. Harada. I have a special announcement. I'm so excited to share this. We have some Beethoven Bears that are in Girl Scout Troop 10165, and they have something to share with us about saving the beach. They're having a socially distanced beach cleanup on Saturday, May 22nd at 8 a.m. And I'm so happy that they're giving back to the community and finding ways to be good citizens. So I want to shout out to our Girl Scout Troop 10165, Harper K, Lane, Vanessa, Amina, Mavis, Charlotte, Tallulah, Moya, Maya, Layla, Emily, Isabella, and Astrid. Shout out to those students and just being change makers. Let's take a look at their video.
Save the beach, socially distanced beach cleanup.
Saturday, May 22nd, 2021, 8 a.m.
Venice Beach, meet at 23rd Avenue on the sand to pick up supplies.
I am so proud of you girls. Again, you're giving back to the community. You're showing what a great citizen you are. And most importantly, you are representing Beethoven in the community. So thank you to those students. Thank you to the parents that have organized this troop. And great job, girls. Now it's time for happy birthdays. Thank you to our friends at Beethoven for all the parents that made pledges. Let's honor your Beethoven Bears. Oh, look at there. We have 3 bears that have birthdays that have come up this week. We have our twins, Naomi and Zoe White. Their birthday is May 11th. Their birthday is today. Happy birthday, girls. And also we have Evie Toscano, and her birthday is tomorrow, May 12th. Happy birthday, Evie. We also have staff that have birthdays. Miss Andrews' birthday was on May 5th. Happy belated birthday, Miss Andrews. Miss Mills' birthday is Monday, May 17th. Mr. Ramos, our wonderful visual arts teacher, his birthday is May 20th. And Mr. O'Donnell, his birthday is on May 30th. Happy birthday to our Beethoven staff members for May. As I shared last week, our wonderful Pedro is still healing. He is doing better, but let's just send him a lot of virtual hugs and love as he continues to heal from his accident. I want to thank all the students and the staff and the families who sent Pedro cards, well wishes, gifts, food. He was so appreciative to receive it all. He sent me a wonderful text. I'm so happy to keep in touch with him. And again, keep on sending Pedro your happy thoughts and wishing him well during this time. All right, it's time to wrap up our morning. We are always going to be committed to our 4 B's. Let's get our R ready. Let's do the peace sign and curve those fingers to your head and up. Be respectful. Yes, to the sky. Next is be responsible. Turn that R around. Lean into your shoulders. Be responsible. And be safe. Very good. And last but not least, be a buddy, not a bully. Because what are we? We are winners. What are we? Winners. What are we, Beethoven Bears? We are winners. Have a great week. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next week.